Looking for business ideas to start at home with just USD $100 or less? We've got 20 fantastic, affordable, and profitable ideas for you. Let's dive in. At number 20, we have freelance content writing. This business idea is perfect for those with a passion for words and storytelling. With potential earnings varying based on your skill and project scope, it promises flexibility and financial independence. To kickstart, you need to create a portfolio showcasing your writing prowess, then pitch your services to potential clients. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr can help get you started. So, if you have a knack for writing, this could be your go-to business idea. Moving on to number 19, we have virtual assistant. This is a fantastic business idea for those with strong administrative skills. As a virtual assistant, you'll offer services like email management, scheduling, customer service, and more from the comfort of your own home. The earning potential? It varies widely but can range from $15 to $50 per hour. To get started, you'll need a computer, a reliable internet connection, and a knack for organization. This business idea is perfect for those who are organized and detail-oriented. Coming in at number 18, we have home cleaning service. This idea is as straightforward as it gets. All you need is a knack for cleanliness and the ability to organize spaces. With just $100, you can get started with basic cleaning supplies. The potential earnings here are promising, as many households are willing to pay for a spotless home. Plus, you can offer specialized services such as deep cleaning or move-out cleaning for an extra charge. If you enjoy cleaning and organizing, this business idea is worth considering. At number 17, we suggest becoming a personal trainer. With the rise in health consciousness, people are increasingly seeking professional guidance for their fitness journey. As a personal trainer, you can help them achieve their fitness goals while earning a decent income. Start by leveraging your existing fitness knowledge, get certified, and then offer your services online or in person. You can design personalized workout plans, provide dietary advice, and motivate your clients. For fitness enthusiasts, this business idea is a perfect fit. Moving down to number 16, we have social media management. In this digital age, businesses are always on the lookout for experts who can manage their social media presence effectively. If you're someone who's social media savvy, this could be a great opportunity for you. As a social media manager, your tasks would include managing various social media accounts, creating engaging content, and interacting with followers. You could offer your services to small businesses, influencers, or even large corporations. The earning potential? It varies, but you can expect to earn anywhere between $15 to $50 per hour. So, if you love being on social media and have a knack for creating engaging content, why not turn your passion into a profitable business? Coming in at number 15, we delve into the world of graphic design. If you have a talent for creating visually appealing designs, this could serve as a goldmine for you. From logo design to branding materials, the opportunities are endless. You could offer your services to startups, small businesses, and even large corporations. The beauty of graphic design is that it can be done from the comfort of your own home, or anywhere in the world, really. As for the potential earnings, it varies greatly depending on the skill level and project scope. But with the right portfolio and marketing strategies, you can earn a substantial income through this creative endeavor. So, if you have a flair for design and a keen eye for detail, why not consider starting a graphic design business? Moving on to number 14, we have online tutoring. If you have a knack for teaching and are passionate about a particular subject, this is a fantastic opportunity for you. From math to languages and even music, the subjects you can tutor in are vast. All you need is a reliable internet connection, a webcam, and a platform to connect with your students. The best part? You can do this from the comfort of your home, and the timing is flexible too. As for the income, you could earn anywhere between $15 to $50 per hour, depending on your expertise and the demand for the subject you're teaching. So, if you enjoy sharing knowledge and helping others excel, online tutoring could be the perfect business idea for you. Next up at number 13, we delve into the world of pet sitting. If you're an animal lover, this is a business idea that can bring both joy and income. Pet sitting services can vary from simply checking in on a pet a few times a day to more involved tasks like dog walking, grooming, or even hosting pets at your home while their owners are away. The earning potential is quite decent too, with rates ranging from $15 to $50 per hour, depending on the services offered and your location. The initial investment is minimal, often just a reliable mode of transportation and some basic pet supplies. Plus, this is a business you can start right in your neighborhood. So, if you've got a soft spot for our furry friends, pet sitting could be your ticket to a profitable, home-based business. Coming in at number 12, we have blogging. If you're someone who loves writing and sharing your thoughts, views, or experiences, this could be the ideal business for you. Essentially, blogging is about creating content that attracts readers to your site. You can blog about anything you're passionate about, from food, travel, fashion, to personal finance, and much more. Once you've built up a steady stream of traffic, you can start to monetize your blog through various means such as advertising, sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, or even selling your own products or services. The earning potential here can vary widely based on the traffic your blog gets and the monetization strategies you implement. But with determination, creativity, and a flair for engaging content, blogging can become a lucrative home-based business. All you need to start is a computer, an internet connection, and a whole lot of passion. Next up, at number 11, we have affiliate marketing. If you have a knack for marketing and a persuasive talent, this could be the perfect home-based business for you. In affiliate marketing, you promote other people's products or services and earn a commission for every sale made through your referral. This can be done through a blog, a YouTube channel, a podcast, or any other platform where you can reach an audience. The more sales you help generate, the more commission you earn. What's great about affiliate marketing is that you don't have to deal with product creation, inventory, or shipping. You just focus on marketing and driving sales. The potential earnings in affiliate marketing can vary significantly based on the commission rate, the price of the product or service you're promoting, and the number of sales you can generate. But with the right products and effective marketing strategies, affiliate marketing can become a highly profitable business venture. To get started, all you need is a platform to reach an audience, a partnership with a company offering an affiliate program, and a passion for promoting products or services that you believe in. And now, at number 10, we have ebook writing. For those of you who have a knack for storytelling and a passion for writing, this could be your perfect business opportunity. In the digital age, ebooks are thriving, and your literary masterpiece could be just a click away from your readers. You can self-publish your ebook on various platforms like Amazon Kindle, direct publishing, where you retain control over your work and can set your own prices. The potential earnings in ebook writing can vary greatly based on the popularity of your book, its pricing, and your marketing efforts. But the best part, the more books you write, the more you can earn. It's a win-win situation where you can monetize your passion while giving readers around the world access to your unique voice and perspective. To get started, all you need is a compelling story to tell, a device to write on, and a commitment to bring your ideas to life. So, why not turn those unwritten stories into a profitable business venture? Moving on to number 9, let's talk about handmade craft selling. This business idea is ideal for those with a creative streak and a passion for crafting unique items. Whether it's handmade jewelry, home decor, custom clothing, or any kind of craft item, there's a market out there for unique, quality handmade goods. You can sell your creations on platforms like Etsy, which cater specifically to handmade and vintage items. The potential earnings can vary greatly depending on your product, its pricing, and how well you market it. One of the best aspects of this business idea is that it allows you to convert your hobby into a profitable venture. To get started, all you need is your craft supplies, a creative mind, and a passion for creating unique items that people would love to buy. So if you love crafting and have been thinking about monetizing your hobby, why not turn it into a business? Start selling your handmade crafts today and transform your passion into profit. Coming in at number 8, we have the personal chef business idea. This is perfect for those who have a knack for cooking and enjoy it. You can offer a variety of services such as meal preparation for busy families, cooking classes for those who want to learn, or even prepare gourmet meals for small events. Your earning potential can range anywhere from $15 to $50 per hour, depending on your skills, the services you offer, and the area you are in. To get started, you'll need a versatile cooking skill set, a passion for food, and the ability to market yourself effectively. Social media platforms can be a great place to showcase your culinary creations and attract potential clients. So if you love cooking and are looking for a way to monetize your skills, consider becoming a personal chef and turn your culinary passion into a rewarding business. Moving on to number 7, we delve into the realm of home staging. This business idea is absolutely ideal for those with an eye for design and a flair for transforming spaces. Home staging services can be offered to real estate agents looking to make their properties more attractive to prospective buyers, as well as homeowners seeking to enhance their living spaces. The earning potential here is quite promising, with rates ranging from $50 to $200 per hour depending on the complexity of the project and your level of expertise. To get started, you'll need a good understanding of design principles, a knack for creating appealing environments, and the ability to market your services effectively. You can showcase your work on social media platforms or create a portfolio website to attract potential clients. So if you have a passion for interior design and want to turn it into a profitable venture, home staging could be the perfect business idea for you. Coming in at number 6, we have resume writing. This is a fantastic opportunity for those with a gift for written communication and a talent for showcasing people's skills and qualifications in the best possible light. If you've ever helped a friend land a job by polishing their resume or crafting a compelling cover letter, then this could be the perfect business idea for you. This service is in high demand, as a well-written resume can make a significant difference in a job seeker's success. The earning potential here is quite flexible, with rates typically ranging from $15 to $50 per hour based on your expertise and the complexity of the task. To get started, all you need is a computer, a reliable internet connection, and a knack for marketing people's skills effectively. You can promote your services on various job platforms, social media, or even through your own website. So if you have a way with words and want to help others achieve their career goals, resume writing could be a lucrative venture for you. Moving on to number 5, we introduce the role of an SEO consultant. This business idea is perfect for those who are knowledgeable about SEO, or search engine optimization. As an SEO consultant, your job would be to help businesses improve their online presence and visibility. Services you could offer include website SEO audits, keyword research, link building strategies, and advising on content development to boost search engine rankings. The earning potential here can range from $50 to $200 per hour, depending on your expertise and the services offered. To get started, you need a strong understanding of SEO principles, a computer, and an internet connection. You can market your services on various freelancing platforms, through social media, or via your own website. If you have a knack for understanding search engine algorithms and a desire to help businesses grow, then becoming an SEO consultant could be a highly profitable venture for you. Sliding into the 4th spot, we have online course creation. If you are an expert in a particular field and have a passion for teaching others, this could be the ideal business venture for you. Creating and selling your own online courses allows you to share your knowledge and skills with a global audience, all from the comfort of your own home. You could offer courses on a wide range of topics, from business and marketing to art, cooking, or even personal development. The potential earnings here can greatly vary based on the price of your courses and the number of sales you make. However, it's not uncommon for successful course creators to earn a full-time income from their courses. To get started, you need a computer and an internet connection, along with solid expertise in your chosen field. Platforms like Udemy and Skillshare can be a great starting point for marketing your courses. Remember, the key to success in this venture is to offer high-quality, valuable content that meets the needs of your target audience. So, if you love teaching and have valuable knowledge to share, online course creation could be a highly rewarding business idea for you. Storming into the top 3, we have podcasting. If you're someone who loves to talk, share ideas, or tell stories, this business idea could be a perfect fit for you. Podcasting allows you to create audio content on a wide range of topics, from business and self-development to entertainment, sports, and beyond. The beauty of podcasting is that it can be done from anywhere and at any time, making it a flexible business option. The potential earnings? They can greatly vary depending on your listener base and the monetization strategies you adopt. You could earn through sponsorships, donations, or even by selling your own products or services. To get started, you'll need a decent microphone, editing software, and a hosting platform for your podcast. Platforms like Anchor and SoundCloud can be a great starting point for launching your podcast. Remember, the key to a successful podcast is delivering valuable, engaging content consistently. So, if you have a passion for a particular topic and love sharing your thoughts, podcasting could be a profitable business idea for you to explore. Securing the runner-up spot on our list is starting a YouTube channel. If you have a knack for creating engaging videos or a unique perspective to share, this could be your golden ticket. YouTube is a platform where you can share content about literally anything, from travel vlogs and DIY crafts to cooking tutorials and tech reviews. The potential earnings? They're as diverse as the content you can create. You could earn money through advertising revenue, sponsored videos, merchandise, crowdfunding, or even paid memberships. To get started, all you need is a camera, editing software, and a creative mind. Remember, consistency and quality are key in growing your channel. So if you have a passion for video creation and storytelling, starting a YouTube channel could be a lucrative business idea worth exploring. Finally, at number 1, we have dropshipping. This is a business model where you sell products online without having to worry about inventory or shipping. You simply act as a middleman between the customer and the supplier. The potential earnings? Sky's the limit, really. To get started, you need to set up an online store, find suppliers, and start marketing your products. With its low startup costs and high earning potential, dropshipping is our top business idea to start at home with less than $100. And there you have it, 20 business ideas you can start at home with just $100 or less. We've journeyed through a variety of options, from freelance content writing to virtual assisting, from home cleaning service to personal training, and finally, the potential of dropshipping. Each of these ideas presents an opportunity to turn a small investment into a thriving business from the comfort of your own home. We've discussed how each of these business ideas can be kickstarted with minimal investment, yet hold the potential for significant returns. Each one of these ideas offers a unique blend of creativity, innovation, and flexibility. The key takeaway here is that opportunities are abundant, even when resources are limited. All you need is a dash of creativity, a sprinkle of dedication, and a whole lot of hustle. Remember, every great business starts with a brilliant idea. So choose your idea, take the first step, and start your entrepreneurial journey today.